Hello, I am Jude Romeo Song Nkwain, the CEO and founder of HIGHUPWEB Academy. I am thrilled to introduce you to our comprehensive program designed to empower you with essential skills in Microsoft Office applications and fundamental computer concepts. Understanding Microsoft Office is crucial for both personal and professional growth. Our training covers the core applications that are vital in today's digital world, from Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Publisher, and Outlook. You will learn how to create polished documents, manage data effectively, craft engaging presentations, and handle email communications with ease. In addition to mastering these applications, our program also focuses on the basics of computer usage. We start with foundational skills such as operating system navigation, file management, and essential troubleshooting techniques. This solid base will ensure you are comfortable and efficient in any computing environment. Our hands-on training is designed to give you practical experience in real-world tasks. Over the course of our program, you will engage in interactive lessons, complete practical exercises, and build a skill set that is both robust and applicable. The digital landscape continues to evolve, and if proficiency in Microsoft Office and computer basics is more important than ever. By enrolling in our program, you're positioning yourself for success in a variety of roles. Whether you are looking to advance in your current job or explore new career opportunities. So, are you ready to enhance your skills and become proficient in Microsoft Office and computer fundamentals? Enrollment is currently open at our training center located at Carrefour EMIA, Yaoundé. And we are excited to guide you through this journey at HIGHUPWEB Academy and look forward to meeting you on our orientation day. Thank you for your interest and see you soon. Bye-bye.